Hello everybody, welcome to my daily chart for today, June 22, 2012. We are as usual on a 60 minutes chart of Euro US dollar, where we're watching this ascending triangle that formed at the end of this bullish trend. Like we presented yesterday, we didn't think the breakout out of this triangle to occur to its support line as it's supposed to. That would be the classical interpretation of these type of chart patterns. We expect actually the breakout to occur to the resistance because we had some pretty strong support zones right here at the support line of the triangle, reinforcing it. So we expect the breakout to occur actually through the resistance. It did not happen for this time. Triangle did break out as supposed to. We said that this would be a risky trade because the price would be carried right into the support zone, into the no man's land right here, and into this key support line of 12600. However, the price broke even below that and out of the Kumo cloud. That would have been a good signal to go short. We had the MACD which crossed into the zero line a little bit earlier. It wasn't coinciding with this breakout, so it was a little bit not so good of a confirmation. However, it bounced from the zero line. The bounce wasn't that strong, but the acceleration downwards was pretty strong, so we took it as a confirmation. We went short in the market. Let's pull the first image of our trade. Here we go. So we went short around this level. We placed our stop loss just above it, around 12511, and the take profit around the next support zone, 12503. We don't expect actually the price really to reach these take profits targets. They are more for safety. We always try to manage our trade manually, so this was put right here in a ballpark area. We let the price to run its course, and here we go. A couple of hours later, we were in profit, $25. It was a mini deal right before the price started to move sideways. We let it run a little bit more. We lowered our stop loss right here. We came right here to lock in our profits. We moved our take profit limit a little bit lower. It doesn't show on this chart, but we just dragged it a little bit lower. That's possible in the Ninja Trader. Just click and drag it. The price, however, didn't go that low. We start consolidating into the zone, and we exit the trade manually. We could have leave it like that for overnight, but once the New York session closes, we consider that there is not much movement in the market, and during the Asian session, it's just going to be a risky trade to leave the position open overnight. So that was our trade. It was a mini trade. It wasn't bad. We didn't expect much out of the triangle in case the price will break through the support. So this was like a nice bonus. Let's come back to our chart. Here we go. Right now the price looks like it's poised to go even lower. We have some pretty grim news coming from both Europe and the US. The economic reports, the latest economic reports, don't show any kind of reinvigorating kind of bias in the markets. We have some bad reports about the US jobs, and Europeans are still working on a deal to come and solve this European crisis, debt crisis that's been hanging around for a while. We have this new trend formed right here. Always when we have a breakout out of these triangles, most likely we're gonna have another chart pattern forming along with that breakout. It's kind of like broadening top. This type of formation, it's known to form at the top of the of bullish trends. These broadening tops, they're pretty good indicators that the trend is might reverse. However, they're very hard to trade off because we don't have clear lines where exactly the resistance and the support area may be. So we just know that the price may reverse its course, but it's very hard to trade out of these broadening tops. Looks like we have here one particular type of broadening top where we have a parallel line for the as far as resistance, and then we have inclined support line for for the bottom of this broadening top, so the trend may reverse. Depends obviously of the news coming from the Eurozone and the US. Thank you for being with us at this daily chart, and we expect you at another session for tomorrow.